Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you actually can import the complete customer or so-called a borrower into your asset tracking solution. So you come to the setup customer. Okay. Currently, you do not have any customer in the system. So what you need to do is just do a customer import. Okay. In order to import in this customer into your system, you can rename a sheet to customer, so for easier importing. Now save. Okay, now you open the customer. Okay, browse the customer file. Manage to transfer the file into your server. Click the edit buttons and then connect to the customer sheet. Click update. So now the Excel managed to bind through your auto track. We go to the next step on the column binding.
After this, what you need to do is actually binding the column to the correct Excel file column. For example, the company name, bind to the company name in the Excel file. Same thing on address 1, bind to the address 1. Same thing on address 2, bind to address 2. And then the attention to person in charge, PIC, in the Excel file. Okay, once the binding finished, what you need to do, just click the import button. File completed. So now we go set up customer. Okay, let's see. The data is successfully imported into the ALC-TECH software.